our connections over here on Binance Live to see if we are all there. If we do, we are about to start, and I'm going to play our 30-second counting down video pretty soon. Let me refresh it because sometimes it takes a few seconds for us to officially link. Oh yeah, I believe we're linked. Now I'm going to play our 30-second countdown video, and everyone get ready to our crypto box run. Let's go. GM, everyone, before I reveal today's guest speaker, I want to thank everyone for joining our AMA on Binance Live. And today we are talking about CGAI. And of course, we are going to give away a lot of rewards. Yes, just like you see over here, that we are going to give away 1 million CGAI token as well as 1,000 USDT price reward, and really easy. Just need to hold 20,000 CGI token, follow all of our speakers, and watch our AMA on our Binance Live. And let me check our connections over here. It's perfect. I could see that we have all of us over here, so I'm going to reveal it. And once again, thanks so much everyone for joining us. During today's AMA session, we will also have a lot of crypto box runs. Yes, we are giving away a lot of crypto boxes to our audience. So be sure to stay here, stay tuned, so you won't miss a lot of things. And let's go. First, we are going to invite Roma. Would you like to introduce yourself and your project to us? Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, first of all, for inviting. My name is Roma. Everybody call me Nebo. So about CGI and what I do. So I am a serial entrepreneur and building a lot of application. And last 12 years, I've been very heavily involved in the AI space, blockchain, architecture, and being surrounded by a group of people. So we are built our own like laboratory and doing a lot of R&Ds. So the main task and the main purpose what we've been focused at the first layer is how to build the privacy. Privacy as not as a solution, but privacy as a fundamental thing, because what we believe that AI without privacy doesn't have future, and without privacy you cannot have innovation. So we built product called Ghost Drive, and this product being in the market for the couple of years already, and we got over 1 million users. And this product helping users to make the data more efficient. So if you upload the data to Dropbox or Google Drive, right? So nothing happening much with your information. So information just raw. And what we did in Ghost Drive, so any information what you're uploading there, we are removing the noise from the files up to 60-70%. So what that mean is it's much easier to train your AI model or or tune your assistant or do the sharing. So it's all about the efficiency. So our main goal is to build the efficiency layer, and we've been working a lot with support of a Filecoin Foundation, building on the Filecoin additional layer, which helps data to become much more easier, more encrypted. And I will say, probably one of the first company who built encrypted streaming, meaning from the client side. So we are all about how to not only build something cool, but how to build something more practical and how to provide more storage to a different level. So we're all about helping the users to manage their data, organize their data, and how to make this data more efficient. So number two, the CGI is all about the confidential generative AI. This is why we call CGI. And this is a different type of layer. So this layer is all about how to help your AI data personalization, where you can build your AI agent and you can build your groups or departments and etc. So this is what we do in general. And I think we're going to have a good discussion starting from here. Maybe Jimmy, we also have my co-founder here, Jimmy. So he can translate everything to Chinese community. I hope we're gonna have a lot of questions and a lot of things we're gonna discuss here. So I'm more about to be open and have like a good open table. And thank you, Moonlight, for the invitation. So very excited to talk about AI and what we do.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Roma, for the introduction regarding CDN. And I saw that already got a lot of audience joining and asking right now. I see over 3,000 views. Nice. Everyone, be sure to give CGI a follow on. And also, as we said, right, today we are giving away the token rewards and USDT rewards. And once again, I'm going to share the banner over here so you know the rules, right? Hold to CGI token, follow all these 3 accounts, and watch our AMA live. And next, let's sincerely welcome Jimmy, co-founder at CGAI, to introduce yourself and talking about the project in Mandarin Chinese. Let's switch our tone to Chinese language. Thank you.
OK，所以我可以讲中文对吧？
对的，我们开始来转到我们的中文了。再次感谢刚才 Roma 老板的介绍，那我们接下来把麦克风交给 Jim 老板，一起来聊聊 CGAI，有请。
OK， 你好，大家好。我是中途加入，因为 Roman 在这个项目上之前，我们是在中期的时候，以投资人身份来介入到这个项目的。当时我们投资了一些这个 Ghost Drive 这个平台，因为 Ghost Drive 平台它其实是一个底层的一个类似于Web3 的网盘项目啊，最底层它是跟 Filecoin 结合的，然后确保了这个用户的数据的一个私有化安全性啊。在这个基础之上的话，我们最近推出这个 CGAI 的这个项目。我可以讲的短一点，因为我毕竟不是这个 founder 嘛，所以我就把我的理解能够再给大家讲一讲。就是我们首先有3个 layer 的东西，第一个是底层的这个数据存储平台，当然这是 Web3 的存储，像等于说你的所有的数据存在这个 Field 的这个网络里面，然后呢，只有你拥有这个私钥可以进行打开。然后基于这个数据呢，我们可以 build 我们自己未来的 agent， 因为现在大家都讲 AI agent 嘛，我们的想法因为通过 CGI 其实是一个类似于一个 AI agent 的一个 launchpad。也就是说，现在我们的产品已经发布了，就是说大家可以去 Telegram 上使用一下。就是怎么说呢？就让你可以在5分钟到6分钟之内创建一个自己的 AI agent 啊。我可以比如说，假如我有一个自己的公司，或者我有自己的社区，包括今天比方说 Moonlight 有自己的一个 community， 对吧？那你管理这个 community 的，比如说你国民里大概有5万个人、10万个人，它是很难的。那我可以通过创建一个自己的 AI agent， 让它去帮我去处理我整个 community 的一个communication。啊，包括 promote 我自己的产品啊，包括讲解我的产品，包括把自己产品通过这个 AI agent 去销售出去。那 CGI 其实它是一个 platform， 它这个 platform 呢，通过底层的这个数据的加密因为你最终你训练这个 AI agent 的时候需要的是数据嘛，这个数据其实基于这个Ghost Drive 和 Filecoin 的这个 layer。那我们就可以确保这个数据的安全性。那我的 AI agent 的话，我的这个 agent 不会被别人盗取。假如说我使用 ChatGPT 啊或其他的这种第三方的平台的话，我的数据可能也就被盗取，或者说我的数据已经被渗透了，我的 knowledge 就也不是我自己的 knowledge 这个概念了。所以我们现在就是说讲的这个 knowledge base 就是完全基于你自己的数据，基于你自己的用户然后呢你可以做成自己的 AI agent。那这个 AI agent 的未来可以在应用场景比较多了所以目前我们这还是一个平台的级别的产品。那我们希望打造就是未来可以每个人通过我们的平台发行自己的 AI agent 大概就是这样的一个理念吧。
原来如此，哇！再次感谢我们2位联创跟我们的分享。然后今天呢，因为咱们是视频嘛，视频 AMA， 所以如果有什么内容想要分享 比方说分享屏幕、介绍官方网站啊，或是怎么样来做 AI agent，甚至就是分享说刚才你有提到的 TGBot 嘛，也都可以把屏幕共享一下。再次的感谢，and thank you so much, Jimmy, for also sharing the information regarding CGI. I would like to, yeah, also remind Roma that if you wanted to share your screen, feel free to do so because this is a video MA session and our audience are able to see the screen that we share. Actually, let me start sharing mine first because I want to let everyone know that right now our session is actually being featured on the front page of Binance Live. So if everyone go to Binance.com, find a live session, you're going to see our banner on the very top of Binance Live over here and click on the banner. You are able to join our live streaming session right now. And I could see that already got, wow, already reach over 4,000 live audience right now. And everyone be sure to go to X or Twitter. I find CGAI, give them a follow. Also join our giveaway because today we're giving away a lot of CGI token reward as well as USDT reward. On top of that, I am continuing to drop our crypto box over here so everyone can enjoy our AMA while earning some rewards as well. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and then let's come back to our second discussion topic over here. As we know, like CGI, just like previously, you guys mentioned about AI agent or AI assistant, right? So, how CGI can help with our daily life? Can Roma letting us know about that? Thank you.
So number one, we already implement our product already to the Telegram. So let's say if you have on Telegram communities or group or thousands of messages. So let's say like use case myself. So I have many contacts, many people, many communities. And for me to analyze everything and go and read is really hard because my time is limited. And so my AI agent is helping me to get analysis, understanding, the critical thinking, the prediction, and reporting in same time. So this helps me to be more productive, more efficient, and know understand what I need to do, or what I need to focus on. One of the use case I would love to, share with you. So we, our Ghost Drive company, me and Jimmy, we been thinking how we can run this company more efficient, and we built our own AI agent, and it's been already more than 10 months, around 10 months. And what our AI agent do, it's fully run our 1 million community. So we have over 1 million users in our Telegram. So, and our AI agent is going through each message, it's giving the comments, it's trying to engage with our community. And in same time, it's providing us like everyday daily reports saying, hey, this is what you need to pay attention. This is what you need to fix, or this is a critical, or this is can be, it's like a chess game, I will say, so you have your AI agent. It's not like only to, translate your emails or write your emails. So we're trying to make AI agent much more powerful because it's private, because this AI agent not only can reply messages and understand, so he have a critical thinking. So he always gonna be up to date. And the second part, you can train your AI agent right now on Telegram on your messages, or you can train or the group messages. So it's give you much more freedom and light and speed to get your personality. I will say AI, not like a personal, but personality AI at a new scope. And in same time, you can train or build your master classes and etc. And inside of you will have your own wallet. So your private AI agent can be can do the monetization for you. So he can trade, he can collect information, he can do like even voting, participating. In the future, I think because right now we know like meme coin, the trend being crazy, right? So everybody's trying to have something digital, tangible. So, and I think what we're trying to also build the AI which can present your coin, right? So you can have your own community coin or the project coin, doesn't matter what. The CGAI can be a voice of your token. It can be a voice of your project or your group. Also, we been doing one interested use case. So I have my friends who's doing like a movie production, and they building a lot of movies. So and each of them they create their own AI agent and they training them. So what they did next, they create a group and they add all their AI agents into that group and they start making movie. So it's helped them to understand each other much more and it's bring this communication gap because in AI it's all about the communication. It's not about the LLM model. It's not about who is better. It's all about the network, how you connect everything, right? So if it's network connected right and it needs to start with the private, right? Then you can have a monetization layer. So you can add, let's say, like a BNB chain. You can tokenize your data sets library or your vision or your ideas, your brain data, doesn't matter what. So, and imagine this. So once you have this network of AI agents and you can ask them, hey, would you please find me the good agent who can help me to do some kind of work for me? No, it's not like only my AI agent needs to do something for me. So I can hire them or I can lead them. So this is what we're trying to create. So we're not only thinking about the AI as a tool, we're thinking AI as a network where we have all human proof, right? So you have proof of AI and you have proof of human. So this is very important to have. And to make a proof, you need to have a good platform. So that's why we have a Ghost Drive behind with Filecoin and Tone to support a massive data aggregation, and we need a lot of computing. But we figure out the way how we do everything on the client. So you don't need to have right now a large model. You can run any model. From small one, and you can have a network of them, right? And what CGEI did, so we did like a routing, so you can point all the different AI agents, and you can make them communication. You can give them the automation task, or it's like an army of them. And this is what I see the future is going. So I think that each of us, by the end of the year, will have the AI agent, maybe couple. Even your business, even your maybe table, the physical objects, is also going that way because it's going to speed up the whole communication ability and efficiency, and it's going to bring new monetization layer. And I think a lot of people also in that space, like some of them be criticizing AI that AI will take a lot of jobs. You know, I remember in when the internet showed up first, right? So everybody was saying the same thing. Oh, internet gonna take all our jobs, but what it's did is create more jobs. So our mind is be more like open, ethical, and connect the future, right? So how we can all involve and how we can be all participate in building like a new intelligent digital consciousness, right? So where everybody have a voice and everybody have an intel. And I think a lot of limitation in the current situation, what we have is different, like a large language model that is being trained by the private groups. So we don't know what kind of information they've been trained or what kind of validation they've been doing or what kind of safety they've been providing, right? So it's a lot of question marks. And our mind is to make a network. So everyone can be part of this network and everyone can do their own AI. And then it's all about how to connect them into one. So this is our like a biggest challenge, and this is where we very close to be first probably who did this massive rerouting connection and the communication tool. So you can utilize, you know, Telegram, WhatsApp, WeChat maybe in the future as well. So we're trying to give people the tools so they can communicate better, they can have more productivity better, and they don't need to worry about something they don't gonna forget. So it's good to have like a companion AI which can understand what you do first of all, and which can understand your space, your time, and why you're doing this, right? So this is the biggest missing piece in the whole AI space, and especially when you're talking to a lot of people have get used to ChatGPT or different AI tools or DeepSeek. So like I endorse like all the open source LLM models. So we love what DeepSeek did, and how they shift the whole industry. Showing like how you can build everything. It's more efficient. So, and our goal here is how we can build more efficient network for AI intelligence, and how everybody can have ability to monetize it. Otherwise, the big company, they will take this power from us. And from my perspective and vision view, the data is a digital gold. It's like oil. And if you just feed your data to machine, which you don't own, which don't pay you, and you pay them, that's a wrong. It's a big, big wrong direction. And I think we as a community, as a Web3 community, we need to be more united. We need to be much more stronger. And we need to build alternatives, how we can make AI with the gold which controlled by us, right? And your Intel is get some credits, is get some coins, tokens, but you get not only benefits or rewarded from the network, you're feeling that it's a collective thinking, it's a collective progress, it's a collective innovation.
Cool. Thank you so much, Roma, for sharing your thought with us, especially regarding will AI actually take away a lot of humans' jobs, right? This is definitely a, a lot of people are concerning about. And we do hope that, like you said, actually AI could create more jobs for us, just like in the dot-com era, right? People had the same concern, but turns out actually there were more job opportunities come to us. That's great. Thank you. And next, we're going to switch our language into Mandarin Chinese, and we are going to ask Jimmy the same question. 那我们接下来呢，为了照顾到我们的中文区的观众朋友，我们想要把同样的问题来给 Jimmy 询问一下，就是 CGAI 是要怎么样来帮助我们的日常生活呢？然后 AI 是不是会把我们人类的很多工作机会其实都抢走了？这边想要询问一下俊老板本身的观点，谢谢。
OK，我这边是这样子，我不可能翻译它全部的这个东西，但是
欢迎您讲你自己的观点都没有问题。
我认为就是说，其实这个问题非常好，就是这个 AI 你要问它是什么样的一个 AI，还是说有无数个 AI，还是有
Jimmy 老板好像有一点点小声，我们现在没法听到您了。
就是我现在怎么样？听到吗？
现在可以了，现在可以了，谢谢。
就我想问的就是这个问题，就是说它其实你要理解一个未来的一个走势嘛，就是说如果是未来这个世界上只有一个 AI， 像 ChatGPT 这样的一个很大超级大脑，还是说未来有很多的 AI？ 甚至我的理解就是说，我们 CGI 的这个理念，或者我的这个对世界理解，我觉得是未来的 AI 就是其实就像你的手机一样，每个人都应该有自己的 AI。它其实是一个增加你效率的问题，就是说30年前可能大家都没有手机，对吧？那你的生活的效率就稍微比较低的。然后有手机之后呢，或者有了互联网之后呢，大家效率增加。那认为就是未来的 AI， 我认为如果都是个性化的话，就是每个人都有自己的 AI， 所以其实这样的话，你也不会担心你的工作没有了，因为我们在 compete on the same level， 对不对？如果就是你每一个人都有自己的 AI agent， 那你的 AI agent 其实是你的一部分，那你只要通过train 你的 AI agent， 甚至把你的 AI agent 就是把你和核心的东西，甚至你的 personal goal， 你的人生的方向，它 AI agent 都可以去帮你实现。那就是说，那这个 AI agent 它如果达到这样的一个境界的话，它一定是这个数据是非常重要的。就是说，我的个人的数据，我不可能说我把我的数据分享给我要创一个 AI agent 的话，这个 AI agent 如果不属于我或不属于我私有化的东西的话，我是很难去放心去 train 它的。对吧？所以我们的理解就是说，我们未来希望给人类提供一个工具，这工具就是说每一个人都可以创建自己的 AI agent。那这个 AI agent 是基于一个很强大的语言模型基础。那这个语言模型基础的话，就那你就 这个 AI agent 会 empower 你自己，而不是说你的数据、你的信息，最终去到一个所谓的这个比较大的一个 super AI 那边去 super intelligence，那我们就变成工具嘛，对吧？我们希望是 empower human，而不是说 empower 这个technology。这是 CGI 为什么要做这个去中心化的 AI 的一个核心的理念，对吧？那能做什么呢？我可以再展开说一下，就是我觉得几个简单例子。假如说我有一个我的 AI agent，假如说 represent 我自己，对吧？当然我也可以我自己公司，我可以有自己的其他的这个 entity。那假如说我我自己的话，比如说解决很多问题啊。第一个问题，比如说我可以帮我去社交啊，可以帮我去收集信息，可以帮我实现我的未来的 goal。那如果就像 Roman 刚讲的，说这个 CGI 的目标，它不是说做一个 AI，它是做一个 AI 的网络。假如大家都使用这个 CGI 的话，来形成自己的 AI agent 的话，其实大家可以互通有无嘛。比如说我要完成一个任务的时候，那因为这个 AI 它局限性在于说我怎么 train 它，比如我的特性，我的东西可能它做的并不是那么好，可以通过我的网络去，比如说我找到什么样的关系，找到什么样的 AI agent 能帮我去干这个活，在这个网络形成的交易啊。那就是说，但这个底层需要一个 layer，就是说能让大家能够 build 自己的 AI，对吧？那如果现在大家去用 ChatGPT 或者用一些 model 做的话，实际上你在你变相的就把你的数据相当于贡献跟 Web2 一样的给了别人了，那你的这些 knowledge base，你所有的东西都丢失了。那我觉得，如果未来的社会是大家都有 AI 的话，其实是不是你丢工作？我觉得是增加你的效率啊。再一个就是帮助你解决一些问题更有效率一些啊。这是我对 CGI 的一个未来 vision 的理解啊。
太棒了，再次感谢您的分享。然后我也觉得，我们其实帮助我们工作更有效率，是 AI agent、AI 代理可以为我们带来很大很大的一个好处。我们其实已经在生活中体验到了这样子的一个便利感。那么接下来呢，要把话题转向聊一聊 AI 加上区块链技术，然后也转成英文了。And next we're going to circle back to Roma, and we are going to talk about AI plus blockchain technologies. How CGI integrates AI with blockchain for security, transparency, and decentralization. Do you mind to elaborate on this topic with us? Thank you, Roma.
Yeah, definitely. So here we've been tackling this question as a multiple approach. So instead of using one chain, we are utilizing like your Penny, including Binance, Ethereum, Ton, and Solana. So we trying to be like a multi friendly chain, open for all, and like any chain can definitely utilize our layer for their own projects or their own tokenization fees or support. So we're very friendly for all blockchain, and we are in the future gonna able to provide more blockchain. But we started with those four for now, which we are not only thinking how we can support those chain, but how we can help them to be also more efficient or do like the five wealth management, critical thinking. So you can also utilize AI not to only be, like your messenger tool or supportive tool. So how to build your analytics AI tool for the chain, and you will be able to get better results, track the transaction, do the trading between and exchange the values. So this is our first kind of vision here. And then this blockchain leading, like especially Jimmy, he's an OG. I'm started in from 2016 in a blockchain role. So been building different and helping different also blockchain projects. But the way how CGI will help the Web3 industry is number one is providing the privacy. Number two, people can log into their own AI through the Web3 wallet only, not Web2. So number three, you are able to do all your knowledge, your data sets, your tokenization on the blockchain which you want to have. And then number four, you can monetize from it with your AI. So your AI agent can be like a sales force for your digital
Perfect.
bits
Thank you
on the
so
left.
much, Roma.
Maybe Jimmy.
Yeah, for letting us know about that and how AI combined blockchain could be. And that's definitely, yeah, just like we say, right? Security, transparency, and decentralization. More Web3 nice. Thank you. And of course, we're going to invite Jimmy to also share your viewpoint of AI plus blockchain and letting us know about the information in Mandarin Chinese。那我们接下来呢，也是把我们的话筒再交给我们的 Jimmy 老板，也是来自我们 CGI 的联创，然后一起来聊聊，您觉得 AI 加上区块链的技术能够为我们带来什么样的福利呢？谢谢。
对我觉得 AI 加区块链，第一个就是我们刚刚提到了这个，我们跟区块链结合，在点在就是说它是一个数据的，就是去中心化的数据嘛。我们认为数据未来应该是很重要的，因为你的 AI 的所有训练，你 AI 的创造都来源于数据，但是数据就是新的石油嘛，所以这个数据和专业很重要。我们这个整个技术是 build 在这个Filecoin 包括去中心化存储的数据之上的这个架构之上，这是第一点。第二个，我认为 blockchain 对于 AI 的作用就是说，在未来，刚我讲到这个 CGAI 的这个 AI agent 的一个网络，假如每个人都有自己 AI 的话，那实际上它是一个新的人类社会，它需要一个交互嘛。比如说我要现在使用比如说别人的 AI，那我是要涉及到我要付钱付费。我认为这个 blockchain 可能它的这个本身的这个特性就是一个新的一个settlement layer，帮助用户或者用户 AI 之间 AI agent 之间进行交互的时候进行结算就用解决这个AI 用 agent 之间的一个互信以及付费的问题。那通过 smart contract 可以执行这些 AI agent 之间的所有的任务。对，那我觉得，所以说，我认为 AI 是 blockchain 这个技术能让未来AI 可能更容易去中心化。那 AI 一定是要走向去中心化，否则的话，我们人类我认为就是面临很大的挑战。就像你说的，可能我们都会失去工作。我们没有这样的 tool 的话，有 AI 的人和没有 AI 的人，那就拉开差距了，对吧？那我们只能变成这个别人的炮灰了。所以我们的想法就是说，可能这个 blockchain 的到来，它未来更多的是在这个 AI 的这个社会里面或者经济活动里面起到关键的一个作用是这样子，我是这么看待这个问题。
再次感谢，对我非常认同您的观点就是加上了区块链这种独特的去中心化技术，其实可以让我们的 AI 技术可以更到达另一个层次了。对，两个之间是相辅相成。Thank you so much, Jimmy, for sharing your viewpoint in terms of AI plus blockchain technologies. And next, we're going to bring this question to Roma. The question is Ghost Drive on CGAI. Can you shares more details what exactly Ghost Drive and what is decentralized cloud storage, and also how about the CGA token? What is main utilities, right, or use cases in our AI ecosystem? Thank you.
Yeah. So in the world where the data, it's everything, and privacy matter more than ever. So GoDrive and CGAI, it's answering to the growing need to secure decentralized AI ecosystem. AI ecosystem, this is a new thing. So we on the beginning only. And to build the right AI ecosystem, so you need to have a lot of tools, partners. So we are here also utilizing like a collaboration approach, working with the multiple AI companies who building image generation or voice or any AI available tool. But our policy is simple. We only working with the open source. So GhostDrive is also open source. And GhostDrive is offer encrypted cloud storage, while CGI acts as your personal AI layer, analyzing your data without ever exposing it, right? So let's say for businesses and Web3 projects, this means they can leverage AI-driven insight without compromising the privacy. So imagine AI assistant that helps to manage confidential documents, automate your workflow, personalize your business interaction, while your data staying secure and decentralized. So this is the future of what we call ethical AI, right? So you can have different type of AI ecosystem. So the AI ecosystem, what we think in and what we are building, and this is our like a drive force, It's how we combining the Ghost Drive layer and CGI layer and building this new ecosystem in the beginning where everyone can utilize those our SDK or API, and they can build better application for their Web3 projects or startup projects or any sort of projects which require the privacy, the confidential, or you want to build your AI agent on the confidential documents, right? So right now you cannot do this unless you can run your AI model on your computer, on your server, but still it's become one in one. So to build like an ecosystem when everything is encrypted on the client, so this is all Ghost Drive provide. It's a client encryption, it's a client computing, and it's a client streaming. So it's helping the whole AI data grow, data sets to be much more light, much more faster, and doesn't gonna have those slow latency issues. So we also care about the speed and efficiency and cost, of course. So in the future, we're gonna provide probably more than 1 terabyte storage for free. This become your memory of your knowledge, your data, because based on your information, what you have on your phone, your the AI can understand who you are. So that's why Ghost Drive is playing very critical role to store all the confidential and private information for you private. If you want to train on it, you're able to do it. So this is our kind of vision behind, and this is what we accomplished so far.
Wow, that is just awesome. Thank you so much for sharing information with us regarding Ghost Drive and the CGI token within the overall AI ecosystem. And of course, we will also like to learn about the information for our Chinese community. So, we are going to switch our language into Chinese language. 那我们接下来呢，我们想要再把话题交还给咱们的居民老板，也是我们 CGI 的联创，本来是从投资人，然后变成一起来共同建设项目。想要请教您关于 Ghost Drive 以及 CGI 代币它本身在整个存储还有 AI 的生态系统里面，您觉得会带来什么样的福利呢，或是影响？谢谢。
对这个问题，就是我觉得就是它分了不同层面的概念，就是我们的 slogan 叫做 your data， 对吧？你的数据，然后 your AI 就是变成是你的 AI， 因为讲的是自己的 AI agent 嘛，一定是基于你自己的数据的，所以这个数据的 ownership 很重要。这个 ownership 的确权就是通过 Ghost Drive layer 来确定的。那通过 CGI 就是这个你的 AI 的 agent， 然后再就讲到你的 future 嘛，你的 future 我们认为就是这个 vision。是基于就是未来每个人都有自己的 AI 了，所以说在这个节骨眼上，我们觉得这个底层的这个数据存储、数据的以及确权非常非常重要。这个事情做好了，才可以 build 未来的这个去中心化的 AI agent。然后在这个基础上，你才有未来，人类才有自己的未来。所以说这个就是我觉得关系的一个，给大家能好理解的话，就可以就是为什么我们先做了 Ghost Drive。你 Ghost Drive 做完了之后，有了数据的存储，有了数据的训练的一个后台，你才可以真正做出自己的 AI agent 来，所以这就是我们认为的一个整体的一个关系吧。我不知道是不是你的问题是关于这两个 Ghost Drive 和 CGI 的一个大概的一个定位，对吧？
是的，就是这样，没错。也再次感谢君老板为我们中文区的社区小伙伴们来做个解释啊。那我们接下来呢，再回答到我们最后一个话题，刚好时间也差不多到了尾声了，我们想要来聊聊 CGI 这个代币经济模型，以及接下来持续增长有没有哪一些方案。So Roma, as we are coming toward the end of today's MS session, we are going to talk about a question that a lot of our community members are curious about. Can you share CGI's tokenomics as well as a growth strategy to us? Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So our tokenomics is designed for long-term sustainability and real utility. So CGI tokens is become a fuel for our AI ecosystem, allowing users to have access to AI services, deploy their AI agent, secure data through the Ghost Drive. And when we launch our coin, we already burned 46% in first day. So we trying to also show the community. So the we here to stay for the long. We here to stay for the in AI revolution where we trying to fight for the privacy, and that by CGI token, it's a part of our utility role. So first of all, it's helping you to help the network, secure the network, participate in the voting. We also will have in March new our token economy and proposals. So where we want to bring a lot of DAO, give people power for voting, so they can choose what the next big thing they want to have or the update they want to have. Our also partnership across the globe. So we're expanding into a lot of different communities and doing DeFi integration, building use cases, and how we can adapt this technology to the real practices, companies or businesses or solution. And the CGI token is making the critical role from it. And from the revenue, what the AI agents be making, so 20% is gonna go to the our market cap. So we're gonna support as we're gonna go because we still new. We've been only on the market for like 20 days. So our plan, how we can expand in 2025 more, how we can build more than 1 million AI agents. So, and our game, everything start here in by the end of February, beginning of March. So we will have a lot of good updates and news. We're gonna roll our platform to the public where you can monetize your AI agent. Then you will have the wallet and everything gonna work inside with our token. So the token will provide the value for the communication. This token can provide the ability to monetize. So let's say you can have your own AI twin, which doing masterclass. So people need to buy those tokens in order to have a communication with this. So this is what our adoption and where we're going. And our main goal is how we can be here for the long game because the AI game and AI race is only started, so it's only warming up. And I think we are going into the very unique way how we can how the internet been changed, right? So everything been changing so far from the chat GPT explosion, showing how we can be more productive, more efficient. So the AI completely changed the whole internet. So now the goal is how we can keep this in more transparency, build the trustless network. And this is what we are trying to have this talk into part of it, of this ecosystem, of the growing community, and how people can also participate and see the value of what we're building as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Roma, for sharing the tokenomics and future growth strategy for CGI to us. And once again, everyone be sure to give CGI's official handle a follow. Also, follow our speaker's account for a chance to receive our 1000 TT reward, as well a lot of CGI token rewards. And last, we are going to invite Jimmy, our co-founder at CGI, to also let us know about tokenomics and growth strategy in Mandarin Chinese. 那我们接下来呢，要把麦克风交给我们的联创 Jimmy 老板，一起来聊一聊，就是 CGI 未来的发展计划以及目前的这些代币经济模型，能不能跟我们分享一下呢？谢谢。
对，现在就是 CGI 的这个发行方式，其实当时是一个 fair launch，就是我们先把这个代币通过Pump.Fund 在 Solana 上发出去了。发出去之后呢，我们想法就是说，community 就是 holder 嘛 ，community holder 现在，我们这边要做的事情就是说，我们希望通过我们的产品，就是这个产品就是说，因为我们希望是未来，因为每个人都要做自己的 AI 嘛。那做自己 AI 的时候，其实这涉及到我们的产品本身。今天我们为什么做 AMA 呢？因为我们这个产品也发布了，其实大家可以通过 Twitter 去关注一下我们的官方账号。你可以其实就是很便宜的，花$2就可以 start 你这个 AI agent creation process。那比如说我们每个人都会用这个，你可以去生成自己的这个 AI agent， 对吧？那我们这个产品还在 develop 这个这是第一个版本。第一个版本出来之后呢，我们可以在5到10分钟之内创建一个你自己的 AI， 但这个前提是你需要把数据告诉这个 AI， 对吧？那我们的 tokenomics CGI 的这个代币呢，未来主要是用于在这个整个就像我讲的这个 AI agent 的一个运行比如说你要训练你的 AI agent， 那其实你是要消耗CGI 代币的。同时你的 AI agent 如果帮别人干活的话，也是要最好是通过 CGAI 的这个代币来进行执行网络可以收取一些网络的费用。那还有就是 CGI 的代币，未来可能主要还是作为一个这个 governance 的一个方式，在 CGI 的这个网络里面，进行这个投票，包括我们发展新的方向，做什么样的 feature， 对不对？这些都是我们未来代币的一个应用场景。所以现在这个代币的价格其实相对比较低的，大概可能在1个 mil 2个 mil， 因为我们是通过 fair launch 的方式来做的，所以很多可能我们现在的社区还没有意识到这个 CGI 未来的这个用途。那随着我们产品的不断发布代币的集成那我相信当这个 AI agent 被大家用起来的时候 ，AI agent 的就跟中间的这个消耗CGI 的这个消耗，包括生成你的 AI， 使用别人的 AI包括你的 AI 帮别人进行完成任务，都是要用到了这个代币的。所以我相信这个代币在这个生态里面其实未来起了很大的作用。那相信这个价格也会逐渐的回升
哇，太棒了！再次感谢我们 Jimmy 老板跟我们的介绍，然后也是再次跟大家讲说，现在价格可能是一个回调，然后接着随着 CGI 团队的持续建设，然后之后呢还是非有潜力的。同时也再次感谢我们2位上方代表过来跟我们介绍关于 CGI 各种各样的细节，同时也想要再请教一下俊老板，在我们节目最后的尾声，能不能再有一点什么补充事件再跟我们分享呢？谢谢。
补充事件接下来就是我们主要的一个事件，就是我们的产品发布，然后呢，希望大家可以去尝试一下这个产品。再一个就是说，我们最近的话，也希望就是能够找一些社区的一些社区，特别是一些 KOL 一些能有影响力的一些人来使用我们这个产品，看看能不能真正的用这个 AI agent 帮他解决一些他的 daily 的这个问题。所以如果有兴趣的话，可以和我们的这个产品团队进行沟通我们希望能够接下来帮你定制一些，甚至我们团队可以帮你定制一些特殊的这些 AI agent，让你体验一下这个不同的使用方法。
好呀，太棒了！再次感谢 Jim 老板，然后我也把麦克风来交给我们 Roma 老板来看一看有没有什么要补充的讯息。Hey Romas, we are getting close to the end of our AMA session. Are there any additional information that you would like to share with us and we haven't covered yet?
I think in March we want to do first of all like a big demo presentation, have AI agent in action. So in meantime, user can try inside of Telegram. Just go and look in our social channel CGAI agent. So inside of Telegram, you can already train your AI on Telegram. It's already working and live, so it's limited version. And we're gonna have a fully version unlimited for the people who are gonna stake our tokens. And we will have, by the way, also staking mechanism, a voting mechanism coming in March. So we're still polishing our tokenomics. We're trying to bring more transparency. And probably in future, we're gonna burn more token and we will have more sustainable economic, the way how we're gonna grow with AI. And last, what I wanna say that when you guys gonna try this tool, you're gonna be super amazed how your community become much more productive, how you can manage AI community with CGI, and how much new data information you will get in which you never been thinking of. So this is very unique tool which helps you not to become richer or smarter. It's make you more connected what you do. So you will start understanding the purpose what you're doing, why you're doing, and how this technology can help you, not only in your personal life or business life, even in your meditation, balancing, in the harmony as well. So this has become for us more than just AI tool. This become for us as a new challenge, what we're facing as a humanity. And I think the all here is to build something good together doesn't matter where we live, where we come from. So it's about the choice what we want to go. And our choice is like decentralized AI, how we can build a new decentralized AI ecosystem, and how the Web3 community can support this together. And right now we have so many beautiful people, projects, thousands, born it. And here we're trying to create this network, the Web. We can call this Web 4 because this is a Web 4 era coming. And, sooner or later it's going to be here. And so for us and with us, for the communities who wants to participate and help or collaborate, please welcome. We are open source minded guys around everywhere. And this is we here to stay for the long short. And we want to change something for everybody, benefits and for the humanity. Make this planet more greener, make this planet more sustainable, less toxic. So this is all about, I think, and AI can help us to speed up all those challenges, communications, and make everything in a harmonized, I will say, new harmonization architecture layer. This is what is missing. And I think with AI and finance, of course, thank you, Moonlight, again for the invitation. And that was really good to be here. And I think we come back maybe in March so we can present like a full product demo. So the community will get excited and we can start building those new AI agents for the good.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Roma. Yes, and also looking forward to hearing more from CGI as well. And everyone, if you haven't given a follow, be sure to do so you won't miss the opportunity to receive a generous giveaway. And once again, thank you so much, Roma and Jimmy, for joining us. 再次感谢两位老板加入到我们今天这一场特别空间，然后也我们的必然直播，然后也是期待我们下次还有机会再见哦。再次谢谢大家，说不定我们下次可以改到特别空间来进行当主场也可以哦，可以考虑一下。谢谢，拜拜。
Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you，谢谢。
拜拜，Thank you，yeah，谢谢。
再次感谢。那我们今天的节目就到这边结束啦，我再来把我们的海报放上来。